Hello, welcome. In today's class, we are going to be making surprise. In today's class, we are going to be making baskets with the use of weaving method. If you have not watched our last video on how to weave mats, you need to go and watch those videos. We are going to be using those methods today to create our lovely basket, and this basket can be used for a lot, whether in the classroom, whether at home, and you can also use it as a gift for somebody. I'm very sure you are looking for ways to actually surprise maybe dad, mom, uncle, and so many people around you with this handmade basket. You are good to go. Remember to watch this video to the end, as I'll be showing you steps on how to achieve this. Welcome to the class. Welcome back. So what exactly do we need to form this? The material we need a scissors, we need a stapler, and you need to cut out all your card in form of slip. So I have two sizes, the longer one and the shorter one. So I'm going to tell you what we need to use them for. You need to cut, firstly you need to cut a round object. Use a round object to cut out circle. Then let me cut out my circle first. To look for any object around you, to trace this out, and after tracing you start your work. So this is my circular object. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be looking at the placement of this on. This is the placement 1, 2, 1, 2. I paste. Then the second one, forming a plus. Remember, by the time I do it, it will face up. So let me continue. Then the next one is going to be the yellow. The yellow, after the yellow, so this is my yellow. After this I turn the other way, then I face everybody up. The moment you do this, then we start the major work immediately. So I face them up. So after facing them up, the long one, this is where the long one starts its own work. It's like weaving. The first one I staple. You can staple and you can arrange without stapling. You can use gum and you can also use a stapler. So one up, one down, one up, one down, one up, one down, till I get to the end. So the last one is going to be at the back. Alive, can you doubt when we load you? Technology ain't there, right? See the battery low. So when you are done, you cut the remaining on top. Then you add your carrier. Then we are done. So this is what we have created. Try your best to practice yours. Follow all the steps one after the other. There may be mistake, but you need to try your best. Thank you. Bye.